my pleasure to see all of you present online. Today, welcome to the Unilumin distribution product presentation. My name is Bill Liu, manager of the distribution products. Here, I will present the document to all of you. For this presentation, it has 4 parts. The first, about the distribution product family. Here, we use one picture to show all the product family to you. And then for the second part, it's about our product advantage. Here, we will tell about our price and the quality and the design. The third part is about the specifications. For here, we tell you about the performance details, like the brightness, the refresh rate, and all the detail we have. The last part is about the project cases. Here, we have done a lot of cases using our product, and this one will help you understand our product application. For this part, we use one picture to show all of you, because we have so many products and a lot of you will get a little confused. For the roadmap, from the left hand side, we got the TV modules. They are just both modules. And for the USF, it's the energy saving modules. This one is a little high-end than the TV. And when we use the USF modules to assemble with the cabinets, we can get UDA and the UDT. For the UDA, it is for the indoor. For the UDT, is the outdoor. Now we are still on the way to research for the smart modules. They have a lot of surprising functions, and later when it launch, we will tell you about how surprising it can be. The last about the new modules. About this one, the size is 16 by 9. Do you know why we design these size products? Because in our human eyes, when we look at the display at the ratio of 16 by 9, that will be most comfortable for us. This design is friendly for the users. For the part 2, we will talk about the advantages. Our product is more affordable in price and we also reliable in quality. How do we achieve it? In this section, we will give you the details. For the product, we have 3 series. The first is about the TV modules. The second is for the indoor, the UDA with the cabinets. The third part is about outdoor UDT, is also with the cabinets. For the TV, it is to satisfy the super cost-effective market in the commercial products. Please pay attention to here. Super cost-effective. It means that the price is the lowest among all the Unilumin products. If you want the cheapest one, go to the TV. And then it's for the factories who can assemble the products. Yes, for the modules, we need to assemble it with the sending card, receiving card, and also the power unit. And the last, I hope this product can help the clients expand the market share in the post-pandemic economy. Let's look at the family of the TV. We start from P1.8 and then P2, P2.5, P3, and P4. The size are varies, and later we are going to design them into one same size, that is 320 by 160. As you can see here, do you know which product is the most hot-sell product among so many? Anyone can guess? That is the best is P2.5, and then the P2. Maybe years ago, it was P3 or bigger pixel pitch. But now, as the technology progress and the price of products going down, the market is going to like the P2.5 or the P2. That's the progress of the market. And then for the outdoor, we start from P3, P4, P5, and then P10. As you can see, the design of the back cover is waterproof. It is better for the waterproof functions, so that in the rain or the snow or the storm, it can better operate. Let's have a look on the module specifications. You can see there are a lot of numbers, and I just want to show the most important features of them. From the P1.8 and then to P4. Mostly here, you can see the panel resolution. It has the 128 by 64 and others. That is the industry standard. That's why we designed them in such a size and the resolution. And then for the brightness, we all care a lot about the brightness. And all of them are 500 nits. And for the refresh rate here, we have the high and low for options. For normally, we have the 1900 for the standard. But especially for the other high-end commercial places, they need 3800 and above. The refresh rate, we have two options, high or low. We can also offer to you. And that is for the maintenance mode. We have the front and rear maintenance. Yes, for some places, the customer prefer the front maintenance, but for the others, they like the back maintenance. That's also friendly for the user. For the outdoor, you can see here, the brightness is very important for the countries, especially the strong sunshine. From here, the brightness, we have a lot for your choice. 5000, 4500, and then the others. But we have all 6000 nits for your options. Here, all the 6000 nits are available for all the products. So you don't need to buy for some projects. They have the direct sunshine on the screen. If we got 6000 nits, that's not a worry for us. So that we can bring the projects better than others. For the refresh rate, the standard is 1900. For the maintenance is for rear. And for the second part of the product, we are going to talk about the UDA is for the indoor. It is a great weapon for the channels because these products have a very hot sale after its launch. And the price is nice. Anybody want to order now? That will be surprise price for you. Let's look at the cabinet design. And the picture quality is also very nice. Again, we we go to the market positioning first. For this UDA series, the first is mainly aimed at Asia, Latin America, and other non-certification market. And then we need to satisfy the price competitively for our customer. The third is about the cost-effective market. Please remember, for our UTA is cost-effective, but for the TV it's the super cost-effective. Do you sense the difference? This one, the UTA price is a little higher than the TV because the quality in the other design, they are not the same. Let's come back to the first point. For the certification market and the non-certification, what are the difference? Okay, for the certification, the first is about the USA and the EU market. They may require the CE, the CB, and all the other certifications. Yes, we can make this certification product, but when we use that certification, the materials, they are not the same. They are more expensive. In that way, the whole product come out can be very high price. So we design this product to fill the gap in this market. That will help our market share expand from EU to Asia to Latin America and all over the world. That is our strategy. Let's come to the design of this product. Let's see here the SPA energy saving pattern. The energy of the SPA technology, it was developed first by Unilumin. We are the first. We are pursuing for the technology progress all the time. For the modules, we offer the front maintenance. It is the industry habit. And then for the installation, we have both front and rear. Because for installation, according to different projects, maybe we have front installation, and we also have the rear. And about the hidden handle, you know, for the technician to install the screen, if they are without the handle, it's very difficult for them to carry. And you also know that the edge of these cabinets, they are very sharp. If they don't use the handle, it's very easy to hurt their fingers, and that is not good for the technician. So we design a new handle for them. And the refresh rate is really high, 3,800. And for the pixel pitch, we have a lot for offer. We start from 1.2 and goes out to P4. For the P1.2, we can use them in the control room or for the very high-end conference. That's our advantage. We have a lot for your option. And then let's talk about the SPA energy saving technology. Because we are the first to use this technology, so we got a patent. If you use our product, there is no risk of the legal dispute in the energy saving technology. And you know, maybe the other suppliers, they're also using the SPA energy, but they are not the first. A lot of them did not get the authorization from Unilumin. If you use that kind of product, it can be a little risky. You know, maybe you can get some legal dispute. And then for the energy saving, because we use the unique power supply, so that we can use the different voltage for the screen so that it can reduce the power consumption. You know, for the screen, if the energy consumption is too high, it is like burning your money. If your money cost is going up, your profit is going low. The cost you saved is the profit you earn. You can also see the difference in your daily life. Another about the stable. Yes, if the screen, the temperature is too high, it is very hot. Just like the screen, if too hot, if you touch it, you will feel it's itching. So that's not good for the customer. And the most important for the electronics product, if the temperature go high, it will affect the lifespan. Yes, for all the products, electronics, maybe 1 year or 2 years warranty. But actually, usually we can use it for 3 or 4 years. But if the temperature is getting too high, it will greatly shorten the lifespan. And we all know that if you can use one product for longer, you can have a higher profit. And the longer you use, the higher profit you can get. It sounds surprising, right? Money is attracting everybody. And for the specifications, for the pixel pitch, we have so many coil options. And this one, maybe some of the pixel pitch, they are almost the same. The difference is not much, at least. Because we want to use it for the binding process. If we have such a pixel pitch, but other suppliers don't have it, it is our advantage for you to get a tender document. Then the refresh rate is high. The brightness from here, P1.2 and P1.6, the brightness is 500. But for the lower, the brightness is higher. And for the product, for the outdoor, we use the Unilumin. Let's look at the product features. From here, one picture we can show all their features. It is also the first thing is about the protection. This product is designed for all weather conditions. Rainy, storm, or windy, or snowy, that is all fine. Our product can meet all the requirements of the outdoor, and ours is better. But first, the picture quality is very important, of course. And then we have the higher protection, IP65, both front and rear. A lot of suppliers, they have IP65 in the front, but for the rear, they are lower, maybe IP54. In that way, that will be a risk for the customer, because some moisture or water can get in from the back. Our product, no worry about that. It's safe and stable. Energy saving, we have that patterns, and we are going to show you in the experiment. See the super reliability. For the energy saving, see here, that is the experiment. From the middle, I have a line here to divide the two cabinets. From here, the Unilumin products, we use the SPA energy saving pattern. This technology, you can see. And this one is the ordinary products. That's the traditional technology. See here, the temperature difference is too much. From here, it may goes up to 61 degrees. It's very red for the whole picture. But for us, they are mostly green. Temperature is very low. We also mentioned that the higher the temperature is, if you consume more power, they are burning your money. The money is burning away. If you see that, you will not be happy. But for our products, you can save a lot of power, that is money. And then the temperature is low, you can longer the lifespan. It can help you success in two ways. Lower temperature consumption and the cost. And then is the P. We also use it to test. For this one, this temperature is still higher. For this one, it's much more lower. That is the difference between our SPA technology and their traditional one. Technology can change a lot. That's why Unilumin is growing so fast. This is our pattern. You can see here. It is from the Beijing Knowledge Authorization. See pattern here. And then have a look at this corner. The energy saving is almost 30%. And you can check the details in this picture. Now let's come to their specifications. From here, there are so many numbers. I just want to show you the power consumption and their brightness. We have 6000 nit for option. The refresh rate, we care a lot, about 1900. Let's go to the next part. Okay, here is some question for you guys. The first, how do we bring the price down while we can maintain the quality? That's the trick. Yes, I know that a lot of suppliers, they say that our product has the very reliable quality, but the price is also very low. Have asked them how do they achieve it? Yes, they can tell you this one is good, that one is good, but let them show their proof and how do they achieve it? That is the key question. For us, we have our many ways to do it, and all of the ways can help us achieve a little bit. When we change a lot of them, our product, the quality is stable, but the price can also lower. But first, we need to consist on our Unilumin standard of quality. Quality is a very strict and it is not negotiable. All the products from Unilumin, it meets our standard. And then the raw material, purchase them in huge quantity. We produce the product in mass quantity. And then use the raw material. Here is the technology sharing. I have mentioned it in details in last courses, so I don't talk to all of them in details. Here let's look at the project cases. Our product is so good and the market approves it a lot. For this one, we can use it in highway. In the highway, you can see here our product, it is high brightness and lightweight structure. You can see here from the highway, because this one, if it's too heavy, it will cause the structure to go high cost. And then it's also not safe in the highway, because highway the car is running very fast. If anything go wrong, that's a very big problem. So our product, stable quality, the lightweight, it can fit this need better. In the stadium, the basketball stadium, you can see here the P4. We make the project at 140 square meter. And you see this one, the picture is very nice. And the brightness is enough for the room. And for the smaller pixel pitch, we use TB 1.8 for the rescue command center. Yes, a lot of people are worried about that. The distribution product, maybe they cannot meet the high-end application, but here is fine. Our product is fine. We can use it on these high-end applications, and the customer like it a lot. It is for the customer project. The customer has enough money. Don't worry about that. And for the research development meeting room, it is in a high-tech technology company. And you can see P2.5, 110 square meter. And for this shopping mall, for the outdoor, our TB5, we get more than 200 square meter. You know, for these outdoor, why do we use the TB5, the outdoor? You know, before maybe the customer cannot afford for the smaller pixel pitch, but now our product, the price is very competitive, so no worry about the price. At the same price, if you buy the Unilumin product, you can get a very affordable price. The same price, better quality, the better resolution. Why not choose Unilumin, right? Here are some shops for some shopping malls, education, and some traffic. And here is about the house of worship. This one is a new application, and this one is contributing to a lot of worships to better organize their activity. And you know, for the worships house, some of them, they will organize a lot of activities, like donation for some meeting, for everything. This screen is better for them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the presentation. Now, do you have any questions? Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to invite Mr. Liu, the product manager. He will answer some questions from us.
What are the benefits of distribution product?
他说这个分销的产品的优势是什么？
像是说，第一，我们是渠道产品，渠道产品跟客户争取利润嘛。而且最近也有我们国内来说，就渠道产品就只有分销是做盈利产品嘛。帮助客户获取利润，然后客户以更低价中标，是我们现在的主要业务项目。
Okay, he said, let me translate it in English. Okay, the first, the distribution product, as we have shown just now, it is for the post-pandemic economy. You know, in this economy, the budget of the customer is lower. If we still use an expensive product, do we hope that the customer can afford to pay it? Of course, we need to use our distribution products, low price, reliable quality. That will be fine. And the second, in this way, the clients can get more sales. You know, the product price is getting low, so that the sales volume can get higher. That is also very important for our clients. And the last point is that the product also help Unilumin. You know, Unilumin is the only one big supplier in the LED to make profits. Because of the pandemic, all the other suppliers, they are not making any profits, and that will be very bad for them. For us, luckily, we have these distribution products, we get some profits. That is the answers.
What are the different advantages of between TB and the UDA and UDT?
他们这个 UTB 还有 UDA 的那个区别。
三种产品分开。
TB 跟那个有相比的。
一个是作为模组产品，另外一个是作为箱体产品。模组产品像刚刚说的一个优点嘛，优势嘛。模组产品作为室内户外，我们都可以分做室内户外嘛。然后室内是说可以轻量化安装。然后第一个是它的观感，会产品有常规间距，能覆盖室内更多间距。然后客户提供更多选择。箱体产品像我们说的所有的户外箱体产品嘛。一个是说更好的防护性。能适应户外多种条件。然后户内的箱体产品呢，就是我们现在使用的是压铸比箱体，提供更多的精度，更好的精度，然后为客户能达到更好的提质效果。
好。Okay, for the TB product, it is the modules. You can see from the specifications, it is very light in weight, and so that we can save a lot of money on the structure cost. And the second thing is about installation. You know, because the module is very small and is very flexible in the installation. That is it. And for the TB, that's all. And then for the UDA and UDT, because it is with the complete cabinets, so that is easier for the client to install for the customer. And then, you know, because the cabinet we used aluminum and with the CNC technology, it produced the higher precision. And that is all the advantage. Thank you, Mr. Liu. That will be the end of this presentation. Thank you for your listening and watching. Thank you.